Hi students, let us continue with the topic that is a stepper motor. In the previous video I explained about the basic the features of the stepper motor, so what exactly the stepper motor is. Now let us take one example how the stepper motor will be rotating. A stepper motor may rotated in two directions. So it may be rotated in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. Means it can rotate in one side in another side, it is clockwise and anti-clockwise. So the flowchart for this is, first it takes the delay, next it takes the initialized counter, a counter will be initialized. After that, so for everything the counter a rotation starting, the counter is decrementing. So whenever it reach is counter is 0, it is checking. So if it is not 0, again it has to be decremented. So first suppose we initialize the counter as a 5. So it has to be reached until it zeros. It decrements the counter until it 0. So whenever the counter is 0, it returns. So this is a step that it follows, the stepper motor. First it is initialized. After that it rotates until the count becomes 0. So 1 rotation, 2 rotation, 3 rotation, 4 rotation, 5, like that. Suppose he had taken 5. The initialization counter is 5 we have taken. So first it starts with 1. Okay, so the count A, B, C, D. So 1 rotation is over. 2, 3, 4, 5. So it a rotation, whenever it reaches the 0, it will returns. Means it stops the directions. So a one complete clockwise rotation, it takes the 5 steps. And in anti-clockwise, so anti-clockwise, it a reverse will be there. So 1, 0, 0. 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. So this is a reverse and this is 4. So forward and the reverse, clockwise and anti-clockwise. So this is the excitation sequence for clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation of a stepper motor. And this is an example. Let us see the example for designing a stepper motor, a controller, and write an ALP to rotate shafts of 4-phase stepper motor. So we are taking a 4-phase stepper motor. Okay, so what are the specifications for this stepper motor? So to design anything, first we need a specifications. So what are they? In clockwise, so we have to take the motor that is rotating, first step is in, it is rotating in clockwise, that it takes 5 rotations, and also it in anti-clockwise in 5 rotations. Clockwise 5 rotations, anti-clockwise 5 rotations. And whatever the interfacing circuit you are taking, the digital to analog or analog to digital or the stepper motor will be interfaced with the 8086 microprocessor with the help of 8255 port. So 8255 is nothing but it is acting as an interfacing circuit of all external devices to the 8086 microprocessor. It is acting as in between 8086. If you want to connect to the 8086, first you have to connect to the 8255. Okay, then only the external devices will connect it to this. Okay, so suppose if the PM is there, if you want to meet the PM, first you have to meet the secretary. Then only the secretary will intimate that information to the PM. So just like that. If you want to meet the principal, first you have to ask that the peon whether the principal is free or not. So whenever it is ready, so just like it is acting as an interfacing and the mediator, it is acting as a mediator, this 8255. That is a programmable peripheral interface. So here also the 8255, the port A address as 0740 they are giving. Means the data that will be taken to this port A. And the stepper motor is having 200 rotor teeth are there. Stepper motor consisting of total 200 rotor teeth. The port A bit PA0 drives winding WA and PA1 drives winding WB up to and so on up to PA7. And the stepper motor has an internal delay of 10 milliseconds. So whatever the motor that will be rotating in anti-clockwise or a clockwise direction, the internal delay it takes 10 milliseconds. And assume that the routine for this delay is already available. So just assume a delay is already available there. Now let us see the program. The solution for this is, first you have to, this is an ALP program, assume code segment. Now start the program. Move AL, 80H, which is used to initialize the initialize 8255. So we are initializing the 8255. So that the control word, the date which is 80H is a control word that will be placed in control word register with the help of out command. Now move AL comma 88H. So this is the bit pattern that is moving to AL register, and the count we are taking 1000. So now the data, whatever that AL contains, that 88, that will be placed on port A. So now the AL contains 88. The port A contains the data 88. Now call delay. So whenever it is asking call delay, the internally it is taking 10 milliseconds. So whatever it is given in the program, the stepper motor internal delay is 10 milliseconds. So whenever it is call delay, it takes 10 milliseconds. Now it starts rotating. Rotate left. Okay. So 1 bit it is rotating. Suppose 1000 is there, it is moved to 010 left. It is moving the bits to left side. So now let's take 0001, moving to the left side, 0010. Rotate left. It is checking whether the decrement count is 0 or not. If it is not, jump not 0, again go to gain 1. Now again rotate 0100. Okay, until the count becomes 0. So whenever the count is 0, then move that 88, the bit pattern, whatever that is there in ALH, and again make count as CX is 00. Now this time it is anti-clockwise direction, clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. AL port A and call delay, rotate right, AL comma 01, decrement count. If it is not 0, again go to gain. Move H codens. So here we have written the program for rotating clockwise 5 rotations and anti-clockwise 5 rotations. So this is about the stepper motor. Thank you.